O-Team from O-Team TV. I wanted to come on and do a quick video on how I wash my jeans, in this portable washer. This is the BCP portable washer. I believe it's 13 pounds. Yeah, 13 pounds. So stay tuned. You'll see how I wash my jeans, how many I can fit in, and how much detergent I put in, everything like that. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, here's my jeans, and everybody forgive me because I'm filming with one hand and working with the other. So there's one pair of jeans in here. See how many we can fit in here. There's number 2. And I have 3 pair up here. Here's 3. And I have sorry for that shot. And I have a pair of joggers. So it looks like 3 pair of jeans and a pair of joggers. Hold on for a second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my water in and we'll see how it looks. A pair of jeans in and a pair of joggers, which the camouflage ones are the joggers. But either way it goes, I have my water in. I have 3 buckets of water in here. And if you if you come back and watch another video, I'll show you exactly how I do my water when I put my water in. Since it's COVID, since we have COVID, how I wash my clothes. Either way it goes, here we go. I still use my little medicine cup of laundry detergent. That's all I use. It's part of the reason I love this thing is because it's so economical. You can only need to use that small amount of laundry detergent. Now let's see how it washes. Oh, hold on a second. Let me let it start going before it starts flipping water all over me. Here we go. That little thing right there is my lint catcher that came with the washer. Let's see. I may have too much in. We'll see. It's gonna go. Yeah, it's gonna go. There we go. Yeah, once the jeans get all saturated with the water, it'll start mixing good. And I always put mine at least 2. If it starts off slow like that, I bump it up to 12 or 15 to give it more time to wash. Since it's taking a little bit for the jeans to get saturated with water, see how it's turning more in? Yeah, once the jeans get soaked good, it'll turn more, and my lint catcher will catch all the lint. It'll get going good once the jeans get soaked good. Okay, I'll be right back once those come back and show you this. The jeans are fully saturated and they're turning, but next time these jeans seem a little too heavy. So next time I would either not put in the joggers or I would just do 2 pair of jeans and joggers. Just because, see how it's going, but it's not really a whole lot of movement. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. Yeah. And I wanted to show you, make sure I show you, you know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, yeah, I would, and you see how they kind of ball up on each other? I would just go probably 2 pair of jeans and the joggers. One more look of what it looks like if you have things in here that are too heavy or too much in the wash side itself. Like I said, I had 3 pair of jeans in here and a pair of joggers. When I do this again, I would do probably 2 pair of jeans, the joggers, and maybe some socks, a t-shirt, something like that that's lighter weight. So it will actually agitate a lot more. I mean, this is going, but I think it needs more agitation. Be right back when this is done. Come out, they're still, you know, pretty damp because they're thick jeans. So I just hang them up like this on my shower rack or on my shower curtain rod, and they dry overnight. Like I said, the next time I'll do 2 pair of jeans and a pair of joggers, maybe a couple pair of socks and a t-shirt or a couple t-shirts. But I normally spin my jeans on all the way up on 5 so they can get, you know, most of the water out. I drain them right in the toilet, and then I hang them up like this overnight. And that's how I do my jeans. Come back and watch my next video. If you haven't, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, because I will be posting more videos. Thanks for watching.